a good looking girl? Is she pretty?
He says she doesn't look like my mama though.